Hey, adventure seekers and outdoor warriors! Ever found yourself in the wild, wishing for a little extra help? Meet your new best friend, the Survival Kit's 37-in-1. Whether you're hiking, hunting, camping, or just prepping for the unexpected, this kit has your back. Picture this. You're deep in the forest. The sun's setting. You've lost your way. But wait. You got a trusty compass ready to guide you back to safety. Plus, that powerful whistle in the kit. Perfect for getting attention when you need it most. Not just about finding your way. This survival kit is all about survival swagger. With a flashlight to light up those dark paths and a flint and steel to spark up a fire, you're the ruler of your rugged domain. That emergency tactical pen? It's got your six. Packaged sleekly, it's the present every dad, boyfriend, or adventure-loving pal wishes they had. Why not give the gift of life? Long-lasting and ever-prepared. Curious to gear up? Click the link in the description and check it out on Amazon. Trust us, your next adventure might just depend on it.